Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to deploy a website on Netlify. Open your browser and go to the Netlify website. Log into your account. When you reach the dashboard, look for the button that says Add New Project. Click on it. After clicking, Netlify will show you three main ways to deploy your website. The first method is to import a project from a Git repository. This method is useful if your project is already under version control, and it allows Netlify to automatically rebuild your site whenever you push changes. The second method is to deploy from a template. Netlify provides ready-made templates for different types of sites, which you can select, customize slightly, and deploy immediately. The third method is drag and drop deployment, where you simply upload your project folder directly into Netlify. I will use the import option because it is fast and works well when your project is pushed to a repository. After clicking Import Existing Project, Netlify will show you different platforms such as GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, and Azure DevOps. For this tutorial, I will choose GitHub. When you click on GitHub, Netlify may ask for permission to access your repositories. If it does, allow the access so it can read your projects. Then it will show a list of the repositories you have stored on GitHub. Look for the one you want to deploy. After you select your project, click on the Deploy button. Netlify will now begin the deployment process. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your project. Once it finishes, your website will be live, and Netlify will give you a link that you can open in your browser. Thanks for watching.